You've worked hard to build your nest egg, but with inflation rising, stock market volatility, and fears of a recession looming, there's one thing on every conservative retiree's mind. How can I protect my retirement savings? And what's the safest, most stable way to ensure my wealth not only survives, but thrives during uncertain times? Let's talk about something many retirees are turning to, and for good reason: gold. In fact, over the past year, more and more conservative retirees are shifting a significant portion of their retirement savings into gold IRAs. But why? The economic climate has changed, and so has the way we think about our future. And it's not just the typical headlines you've been hearing on TV. It's the reality of what's happening right now, today. The financial world is shifting, and with it, the stability of traditional retirement savings plans. Interest rates are climbing, the dollar's value is in question, and we're seeing a growing number of economic cracks in our financial systems. Just last month, President Biden signed a major economic relief package, but it's clear we're not out of the woods yet. In fact, just this week, the Federal Reserve hinted at even more interest rate hikes, and economists are predicting a potential downturn. What does this mean for your IRA or 401k? Well, if your retirement is tied to stocks, bonds, or traditional investments, it could be vulnerable to the volatility that's been rocking the market for years. Take Susan Miller from Florida. A few months ago, she had $500,000 in her 401k and watched in horror as the market dipped again. She'd worked as a school teacher for over 30 years, but after seeing the instability in the market and the rising costs of living, Susan knew she needed a backup plan. She heard about gold IRAs, did some research, and decided to move 20% of her savings into gold. Fast forward to today, and she's breathing easier. While the market is still fluctuating, her gold holdings have held steady and even increased in value. The reason? Gold has always been a hedge against inflation and financial instability. When stocks fall, gold tends to rise. And for retirees like Susan, who don't have the luxury of waiting for years to recover from a market crash, gold offers peace of mind. But what exactly is a gold IRA, and how does it work? A gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, silver, and other precious metals, rather than the typical stocks and bonds. Gold, unlike paper currency, has maintained its value over centuries. And unlike the stock market, gold is less likely to experience drastic fluctuations due to political unrest, market crashes, or inflation. For conservative retirees, it's the perfect way to ensure their hard-earned money isn't wiped out by the next market crash. If you're someone who's worked hard to build your savings and wants to protect that wealth for the long term, a gold IRA is a smart, secure option. Now, I know you might be wondering, how do I get started? And that's exactly where I come in. We're offering a free, no-obligation gold IRA guide and educational call to help you learn if this strategy is right for you. No gimmicks, no pressure sales tactics, just one-on-one, education-first calls where we can walk through your options and see if a gold IRA could help you secure your financial future. You've worked too hard to let your retirement be at the mercy of the markets. A gold IRA can give you the stability and confidence to know your savings are safe, no matter what happens in the economy. Just like Susan, who took action after realizing the risks of her traditional retirement plan, you can make the move to safeguard your future today. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your one-on-one educational call. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your retirement and give your family the legacy they deserve.